Section 11.6, Gender and Violence. Nearly 2 out of every 1,000 girls become victims of forcible rape by the age of 12. While this statistic may seem high, it is nearly 1/3 of what the rate once was in the 90s. The typical rape victim is a woman ages 15 to 24, but men and boys can be victims too. However, this occurs at a rate of only 1/10 the amount of victims who are women and girls. Additionally, most victims are attacked by someone who they are familiar with, such as a friend, boyfriend, or coworker.
One type of violence is date rape. Date rape is also known as acquaintance rape, which is rape that occurs from someone you know and may have gone on a date with. The majority of rapes go unreported and only 5% is reported. People are embarrassed, scared, hopeless, and feel that it was not serious enough to report what happened.
One aspect of the violence department is murder. 9 of 10 murders are mostly committed by men. This means that women have a higher chance of being killed by men than vice versa, where women are killing men. 90% of the killers are men, and only 10% wind up being women. This means that, in this case, victims are 72% men, and only 28% wind up being women.
Domestic violence victims are typically women. Examples of domestic violence include spouse battering, which is repeated psychological and physical abuse. Additionally, marital rape and incest are also examples.
In terms of women in sociology, they use feminism and gendered violence and different theories to employ how they want to view different topics on men. For example, symbolic interactionalism would be used to determine how the strength of a man and their manliness could be associated to a different violence pattern within men. However, the conflict theory decides to say that men are losing power, and in order to try to maintain this, they assert their dominance on women to try to reclaim this power.
While there is no clear solution to gender violence issues, it is clear that the connection between violence and masculinity must be broken. This would require educational programs in school, church, home, and in the media.